If you're craving for some Malabar style food in Malta, you should definitely visit Cafe Browne because they have awesome snacks, especially from the Malabar region. So it's I tried the Killi Koodu from them, and I kind of really like the dish. So maybe when I tried it, it was a bit soggy. Maybe once it was fresh, it would have been much better. But I kind of like the flavor and texture of it. So let me know whether you have tried it from here. So if you should just definitely give it a try because it's not that costly. See you in the next video. Have a great day.